MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Ophis District Sports Officer Ribhoy District Nongpo hagajing snok ti lang bat ka Ophis BDO Jirang mentaka singi kalapan kutno ek Lympung jong ki Samla banpen iya kasap kapong jong ki kun Samla ya kabalatip kum ka block level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program Ar-Hajar kabaning kong halor kapang Empower Youth Empower Meghalaya kabaar singi ya kabalapan long St. Peter's Secondary School kadhor kabaha Jirang Blong ya katika Lympung ki Samla kabalapan long hapo Jirang Blong lasdang henden kasingi ke khasan tarik urisaw ha kabalawan ban pli video ke Jirang Blong Dr. P Hajong hagajing don lang ba Bobby L Nongbat District Sports Officer Nongpo kong Ridal dan PTI District Sports Office Nongpo lembat kuy Hagani ke program ke baar singi kenti la sakhi ya kejing kop baper ke bekentup ya kejing kop drodur bat airong kejing kop tem goita kejing kop ruai bat syatan rai quiz bat kuy ha ke balawan ban shimenta de ki khun Samla kan thei bat shinrang jong ke blok Jirang bat napleng ki Samla nakaliang ke Ophis DSO kan jin ri puprangut ki Samla ki beken sai tam manli shimenta pan syaka district level bani ko pen isapan bat kuy ki blok naribhoy hagani ke singi penkut lawan penha perdano do menteri ke sarkar jela ba sustenance satun Ru UMLA MDC ke Jirang Constituency hagajing sakilang usi awasi SDO Civil Peterkma Civil Subdivision kum sembut kongsan BDO ke Jirang Blong Dr. P Hajong lembat kinong turai na ke Ophis DSO bat na ke Ophis BDO Jirang ki kena school bat kinong hikai ha ke bakut pat jong ke Lympung na kaliang ke Ophis DSO kilasam ki kusnam syabaro kinong job pat ia ke sernot syabaro ki belaiwan bani shimenta hak ke Lympung ka baar singi
Now at present, it has been renamed as the Chief Minister's Youth Education Program, and today, historically, the first time at the top level here at Jirang. The objectives of the program is expanding grassroots participation, cultural exposure and integration, enabling youths to experience diverse cultural practices, languages, cuisines, art, etc. Skill development, building leadership, communication, life skills, etc. Representation and collaboration, promotion of Meghalaya's heritage, showcasing local traditions, innovation, talents, etc. And youth empowerment to prepare youth ambassadors on the state and the national and global platforms. This event aims to feature around close to 150 youth participants, both boys and girls. Also through this program, the office aims to bring together the young and dynamic minds of the district to exchange ideas and showcase the diverse manifold talents and culture. So, since 2014, over 2,000 youths have had the opportunity to participate and visit various states across India, like Delhi, Mumbai, Goa, Bangalore, and many others. And at the international level, at Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, Bhutan, Indonesia, and this year at Vietnam. So I believe through this platform, it will not only motivate the youths of our district in the pursuit of a bright and promising future, but also to aspire and broaden their knowledge and experiences to a huge extent.
In all my youths from different schools, different organizations, this is the platform for you. This is the right platform now we are reaching here. I know and I believe many talents is hiding in the Jirang, but there is no platform to expose your talent. But now you are got the talent. You can expose your knowledge, you can share your knowledge, your skills. This is a good opportunity you are getting with this platform to learn, to live, and to find your talent here. So, I believe with this platform, you can develop your knowledge and skills, and it will be learned through one-on-one Meghalaya. You see, when you rise Meghalaya, that's why our team is empowered. You empower Meghalaya. When you are the future, then let us work together to make the brighter future of Meghalaya. And please, that is the motto, that is the theme, that is the ambition of our teachers and all of us. We have to be work together so that use the name of our youth. We can not only in Meghalaya, not only in our Jirang block, not only in the district level, even in international level also, so that one day I want to see from the Jirang also, they are representing in the state level, and not only in the state level, in the international level also, in the national level also. So, I believe and I hope you will try hard to expose your talent with this platform.
We invited here as a guest of honor for this wonderful event, the Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program. I'm not much of a speech person, so I just share a couple of anecdotes growing up, how I always looked forward to such events and being felicitated by chief guests, whoever used to come. We as kids used to be very excited. So first of all, congratulations to the performers today, the musical group and the dance group. Wonderful performances by you guys. And also to the person who just gave the speech before me. I think that boy, he was so nervous. It takes a lot of courage to come on stage and with so many eyes staring at you, to speak. So a big round of applause for the person who just gave the speech before me. He was at a loss of words at times, and he was looking here and there for help. And I could just relate to him because not so long ago I was also in the same place. To all the kids present here, it is very heartwarming to see that I grew up in a similar school. Most of my schooling happened in Jharkhand, in small schools. So for us, these events used to be really a breath of fresh air. We used to wait to showcase our talents. We were of no match or competition to the kids, who were going to city schools, the big schools, so-called. So we always used to look at them and we used to feel that, are we less talented? What is missing in us? Why are we underconfident? And the only thing I realized was an opportunity. And such programs, even if they are able to transform the lives of 4 or 5 children in terms of confidence, in terms of their ability to go out there and think that no dream is too big to achieve, I think we have served our purpose. So big congratulations to the District Sports Office, the entire team, and the BDO office who have done this great implementation of the program. To the kids again, try and participate as much as you can in these events. These events are solely for you. And trust me, you might not realize it right now, but the way these programs help you in future, in terms of expanding your horizon, in terms of expanding your reach, your ambitions, it's magnificent. So once again, kudos and celebrations to all the kids who have made this event a successful one. I was just listening to the report by DSO that there was great participation. And as the Civil Subdivision Office also, we are planning a few events in which we seek your cooperation and your participation in large numbers, all the teachers present here and the headmen present here. With that, once again, gratitude to everybody who is present here, and we hope that such events will keep on carrying forward and give you a platform to showcase your great talents. Thank you so much.
And don't lose hope. Make sure that whatever skills you have, you should try to improve. Try to improve. Don't say that, oh, I am from a rural, I have nothing support, very less support. No, nowadays, your opportunities comes to you. We have seen in the note here also, I've seen that one of the youth from Jirang itself, Mr. Mari Elisha Rani, I don't know whether he's here or not. He's from Jirang, River district. He secured the second runners-up position in the solo guitar competition, Northeast Youth Festivals 2025. Be a guitarist, maybe a singer, or maybe a leader who can interpret or give different lectures, or maybe the youth who can perform in whatever skills they have. So this is the advantage that has come to you. If you never ship kamu, ki kun sama hakirigan juk kababita, piduan ship kamu, ya kaba mapi pidon naladi, ba ka opportunities, ka job opportunities menta, kamu tanda ka marks kaba pipiyo. Every pidiman don you kata ability ke your different abilities. Menta kalaban the business kaba mapi bilaban late man apply. Kamat supi kalaban duna. Every pidai ki basu thopa ya kata ka main purpose of that work. Te bilaban batai, bilaban address. Ya kata business kaba kanu companies ke dalam kami kata kita opportunities kaba mapi video. Se sopan ai ke cukuplay your honorable chief minister. Ya kecing icnai ke jongi. Nakam jamunu ban create lane ban thawe kala kalanti nakam jongi. Ikan men ba Kishnong Ibahapo Jong Jirang Sena developed, and the villages which falls, the people of which falls under SQ Civil Patakma. We are aiming for a greater change of all these areas. We have officers, our IAS, Sri Awasti, our video, Dr. Hajam, and all officers. We are all collectively take the responsibility to take our SQ Civil, to take our Jirang Senagi block to develop or more advanced compared with
Meghalaya Post. meghalayapost.news.